Rivet nut is widely used in automobile, aviation, railway, refrigeration, elevator, switch, instrument, furniture, decoration, and other electromechanical and light industrial products assembly. In the field of fastening all kinds of metal plate, pipe and other manufacturing industries. To solve the shortcomings of metal sheet, thread slip teeth and so on. Rivet nut has many advantages, such as no tapping thread, no welding nut. Riveting firm high efficiency, simple installation, easy to use and so on.